Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain to you how to use Genially. So the main objective of Genially is to allow anyone to create stunning, interactive and animate content, and also to help improve the way we present, communicate, spread information and teach. So the first step is to log in or sign in this part. I already did it with my Google account. So if you want to create something, you click on here. So here we have, or here you can make presentations, infographics, gamification, interactive images, or video presentations. So let's say that I want to make a presentation. So then there are a lot of different templates here. So feel free to poke around and choose whatever draw your attention. So I'm going to pick this one. You can see what it looks like by clicking on this little arrow over here. So let's say that I like this format. So I'm going to use this template, and then I choose the pages that actually I think are pretty cool. So pick whatever ones you want to add, and if you need more or another different template, you can go back. So from here, it is just kind of tweaking what is already there. So let's say that I want to make a presentation about personality. So you just click on the title and modify it. So basically you can customize your presentation. For example, in this part, you can change or find another type of letter. You can add images or you can upload it. In this part, resources, you can add icons, shapes, graphs, lines and arrows, illustrations, and more. In this part called interactive elements, you can add buttons or buttons with text, markers, social networks, or numbers to highlight the text or to show animation. Also, you can change the color of your presentation, or you can add an image. In this part over here, you can change the size of your presentation. Also, you can add transitions of movements so you can choose whatever you want. So then when you are done, you click on all set, and here you can choose if you want the presentation public or private. Then you click again on all set, and in this part you can see the presentation. You can share it or you can download. If you want to share it, it gives you the link, and you just copy the link, and that's it. So that's it. Nothing too difficult to use. Definitely a good alternative to be creative.